do a quick wash day routine. I have my hair in two big cornrows, so I've already removed the one, and then I have like a side bang. So I'm just removing the other cornrow, and then I will just show you how I do my wash day. So I'm not going to do the whole treatment. I'm not going to do the whole treatment thing because I did that like 2 weeks ago. So I will just do a quick wash, shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm not sure what I will do with the hair afterwards. I thought of rolling them in, but the problem with me is rolling my hair. I go training in the morning, you know, like at 5 in the mornings, like 5 a.m. So when I go training, the hair sweats, or I actually sweat a lot. So I sweat a lot, and then the hair sweats, and then it shrinks again. So yeah, when I roll the hair in, it's kind of like almost time wasted, because you know, when I go to work, I don't get because the hair is all wet, so it's just like, yeah. So I just feel like rolling them in when I know, especially when I know that I'm going training in the morning, I feel like rolling them in is just almost like time wasted. So I don't know. So I'll probably maybe put them in twists, or I don't know. I'll see. Please excuse the noise outside. It's raining, so I hope you can all hear me clearly. Yeah, so once I remove the cornrows, I'll just show you how I do the wash and what products I use as well. Yeah, because my hair is all natural at the moment. I had relaxed hair, I think like 5 years ago. You know, and then I decided to go natural. So I didn't cut them though. So I just waited for them to grow, and then I kind of, at some point I had like 2 types of hair in my head, so that was a bit, oh, that was challenging, guys. That's not fun at all. But now they're all natural. So I've removed the cornrows. Yes, I actually, as you can see, I actually have a lot of gray hair, guys. It's not even funny. My mom says that I was actually born with some gray strands. So I haven't dyed them in a while. I actually don't like dyeing them that much because I don't know, I just feel like sometimes the dye kind of also destroys the hair, so I don't really like dyeing them. So I kind of just try to work with what I have, you know. But yeah, so this is my hair. So before I wash my hair, I actually like to put them in like 4 sections, like 2 front and 2 at the back, and then actually like wash them in sections, because I find that when I do that, it doesn't tangle as much, and I can kind of wash one section and then wash the other section. I feel like it doesn't, I kind of have control, and it doesn't, I feel like it doesn't really tangle as much. So let me separate them into the sections, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so I separated the hair into sections, like 4 big sections. And what I like to do is I just put them like in big twists, as you can see, and then I kind of secure the ends or the tips with just the elastic bands. What do you call these? These things for the hair, I don't know what you call them. Wow, the name is gone. But yes, so that they just don't unravel. And then, yeah, so this is pretty much it. As you can see, the parts don't really have to be perfect, as long as, you know, you just have like 4 big sections. Okay, once I've separated the hair into these big sections, I wash the hair per section. So I would wash this section, And then once I'm done with this, I will twist it again into the twist and secure it again, and then I'll go on to the next section. So for me, I find it better if I do it in the shower, because then, you know, the water kind of just runs down and you're able to actually like go under the water and, you know, wash like that way. So for me, I find that a bit easier as opposed to like washing in the basin. So in terms of the products, I like to use this argan oil products. I think they've been really good for my hair, because I started using them I think maybe 2 years ago, and I found them to be really, really good. So this is the shampoo, and then this is the conditioner. When I do the treatment, also this is the scalp. I think maybe the light is a bit too much. I don't know if you can see clearly, but this is the scalp shampoo. So what I usually do, especially after maybe braiding my hair and I just remove the braids, I like to use this one just to wash the scalp. So I pretty much use this one just to wash the scalp, and then I go in with the shampoo for the hair, and then I go in with conditioner afterwards. But when I do the treatment, I think I will show you one day when I'm doing the treatment. I will actually do also a wash day with the treatment. But when I do the treatment, I use this one, the hair mask. It's also by the argan oil brand. Yeah, so these are the products that I use, and I found them really to be really good for my hair. Maybe it's also was promoting the hair growth, I don't know, but yeah, I like them. They make my hair really, really soft, and I feel like my hair is not as dry. I feel, you know, like it's really moisturized. I actually got these products from Miss Amugogo. She's on Instagram. I think you guys should really check out her page, because she has a whole page about natural hair, how you can make your hair grow, how you can treat your hair, and just generally how to take good care of your hair. So really check her page out on Instagram. I'll see if I can link her, maybe her Instagram name somewhere, maybe around here. Yeah, so you guys should really, I do recommend that you go check her page out, because she's really good. I'm going to jump in the shower and wash. I'm not going to use the scalp shampoo today because I don't think my scalp is dirty, because I've had my hair out, not braided for over a month, so I don't think my scalp is dirty to use this one. So I'm just going to use the shampoo and the conditioner. As I come out, I will show you
a few minutes later,
the leave-in conditioner that I use, and also the moisturizer that I use for the hair. Yeah, and yeah, so I'll just show you a bit of the products that I use for the hair, and yeah, see you later. Okay guys, so I'm fresh out of the shower. I don't like using like towels, because I think, you know, the towel things kind of also pull on the hair. So I would really like to use a cloth to dry my hair. So I would rather, like, because the hair is still in sections, so I kind of like to just like dry it like that, if that makes sense. Like literally just, like, you see, like just dapping, or kind of, you know, just, or squeezing. I think squeezing is the right word. Like squeezing the water out of the hair. Yeah, because I think the towels are a bit too rough. I find them to be too rough. So I also saw somewhere one of the natural hair ladies that also does it like this, and I found this to be think a better way of like drying the hair. So then I just kind of squeeze the water out of the hair. If you have any tips for gray hair, guys, apart from dyeing, or are there any, do you know of any dyes maybe that are not so harmful or abrasive to the hair, especially natural hair? I would really, if you can please comment down below. I would really appreciate if there's anything that maybe that you've tried that kind of works for your hair. I've tried henna, and I find henna also to be a bit, I don't know, kind of dries out my hair, I think. Yeah, so this is the hair washed. Oh please guys, don't mind that mark there. I will tell you one day, that's like a story for a whole different day of how I got that mark, so don't mind that. For now, we are here about the hair routine, so let's focus on that, guys. For now, that's how I do my hair. So now, really clean hair. This is the amount of breakage I experienced during the wash. I think it's okay. It's okay. I'm not really concerned about this. Yeah, that's okay. But really, guys, natural hair requires patience. Like if you are on this hair journey, it really requires a lot of patience. Like no joke, guys. This is like, you really need to be patient. Like you can't pull the hair too much. Yeah, but this is what we've been dealt with, right? And as I told you guys, those products that I showed you earlier, they really do make your hair soft. Like my hair is so soft right now. So now I'm gonna put in the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to moisturize. In terms of the leave-in conditioner, this is what I use. Not sure if you can see properly, but it's the Posa Shea Butter Deep Conditioning Leave-in Conditioner. So this is what I use. So I don't really like to use a lot. I think like 2 fingers like that. So I don't rub like that. I kind of like to pull the hair strands, and then I just kind of put in the product like that way. Yeah, there we go. So that's it in terms of leave-in conditioner. For the moisturizer, I'll use this Posa Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Hair and Scalp Oil. I know it has this squeeze thing, but for some reason it doesn't really go through the squeezing thing. So I usually take off the cap and just squeeze it on my hand. And again, guys, it's also very important not to be very rough with the hair. As much as possible, try to have patience. Very important. Yeah, so that's it really. So I'm just gonna put the hair in twists. But basically, in terms of the hair routine of the wash day, this is really how it goes, how I normally go about it. Yeah, so if I was gonna roll the hair, I usually only use, in fact, not usually, I always, anyway, just use the, I really just use the normal curlers, these ones, and then I would just, because I usually do this in the mornings, like late morning. So once I curl them, I would leave them on my head for the rest of the day and just let them air dry basically. But I'm gonna curl them in today. So yeah, but thank you guys. Thank you for sticking around, and please do let me know if you have any special routines or anything that you can recommend, probably that I can incorporate in my hair routine that has worked for you. I would really love to know, because it's a journey, right? It's a journey. This is a journey. So yeah, so please comment down below. Let me know if you have any special tips, if there's anything that you do that works for your hair, natural hair especially. Yeah, so thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you next time.